Hi everyone, welcome to Maths with Sandra. Today we have math tricks to tackle, and we are given 4 divided by 2 divided by 4 divided by 2. When you are asked to do this kind of problem, you might say it's simple and straightforward, right? After all, 4 divided by 2 will give you 2, divided by 4 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2 will give you 1. But that's not the right way to do it. Let me show you the right way to do this calculation. When you are given this kind of problem to solve, you know we have more than one division in one expression. So, according to the order of operation, when you have more than one division in one expression, you have to work from left to right. What am I trying to say? What I mean is this. 4 divided by 2 will give you 2, divided by 4 divided by 2. 2 over 4 divided by 2. So 2 here 2, 2 here 1. You have 1 over 2 divided by 2. Here now, you have to apply the law of KCF. Using the law of KCF, K stands for keep, C stands for change, YS stands for flip. You keep the first fraction, you change the division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Hope you get it. So 1 over 2 multiply by 1 over 2. Now this one initially was like this, 1 over 2 divided by 2 over 1. So when you flip it, it will be 1 over 2. So therefore 1 multiplied by 1 will give you 1. 2 multiplied by 2 will give you 4. This is the right answer for this multiplication, not 1. Okay? The right answer is 1 over 4, not 1. If you know you like this, if you know you like the way I'm teaching, why not hit the subscribe button? Thanks for watching everyone. See you in my next video. Bye.